Welcome, in front of me is Redmi 13 and in this video I will show you what to do if your fingerprint sensor doesn't recognize your fingerprints properly. In such case, you're gonna have to set up a new fingerprint for your device. So open the settings first, go to fingerprints, face data and screen lock section, then go to fingerprint unlock and enter your pattern or your password. And if you have any fingerprint models already enrolled on your phone, then remove them first. And after that, before adding a new fingerprint to your device, use a dry towel to wipe the surface of the scanner, which is located right here. Hope that you can see it. Okay, yeah, right here. So wipe it with a towel, then start pressing it with your fingerprint carefully, using different parts of your fingerprint. Now try to add the edges in order to ensure the best experience. Okay, and once it says done, you are ready to proceed. So now let's click done and go back to the settings, and just to make sure that everything works properly, let's update the phone to the latest version. So go to about phone section, click update and check for any updates. Make sure that you are connected to the internet. Click check for updates, and if you see that there are any updates, then take your time, download and install them by clicking download update. Wait until the update is downloaded and installed, and then we'll have to restart the phone and try to use our new fingerprint to unlock it. Okay, and once your device is updated and restarted, let's try to unlock it using the fingerprint. So press the fingerprint sensor with your fingerprint, and as you can see, it works just fine. And I hope that it did work the same way for you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.